Hello, today I am going to share a recipe of cough and cold. It is a Ramban recipe of cough and cold. So I need some ginger, jaggery and ghee. Uh, Take a frying pan and add some ghee in it. Add some black pepper and take when hot the ghee, add ginger in the ghee and mix it well with a spoon properly, and 2 or 3 cloves also I added in it, and now I mixing it very well. So you have to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes in heat properly, and keep attention that not to burn it. And after some time add jaggery in it and mix it well and all over this period. And the gas flame should be low. So mix it properly, and after some time it will be ready. It is very useful remedy for cough, cold in rainy season and in cold season. It is very useful ready and a useful remedy and homemade remedy. It is very good remedy, and so everyone can cook it into 5 to 10 minutes it takes, and it get prepared, and it is very tasty to eat and very easy to cook. It gives instant relief in cough and cold. Uh, Cook for 5 minutes, then we add jaggery in it. So cook for 5 minutes and attentively stir it constantly. Stir it again and again so that it would not be burned. And look at this color is changed. If you have old jaggery, you use in it. Old jaggery is very beneficial for our health, so we can use old jaggery in this remedy. Now I am mixing it well. Now it is ready. Turn off the gas and transfer it into a plate. Wait for some time for cold it, and now it is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Thank you.